We gotta do what we gotta do. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. I moved. Before we get into that, because I'm going to do a separate video, I'm gonna do another room tour, I think. I'm not sure. Okay, I was not planning to film this video. It's like in so many videos that I made about movies, genres and stuff. I keep mentioning that I might do like a Netflix version. Insert clips here. I might actually do another one of these types of videos, except it will be a Netflix version of it. Let me know if you would want a Netflix version of it. So I decided that I'm going to be doing that video, but there's a little twist. We'll get onto that. I didn't plan this, so we'll see how this goes. Anyways, so let's change our location first because this lighting sucks. Okay, I didn't even change my location. I just change the angle. Also, sneak peek. Actually, I didn't even like decorate my room at all. Anyways, that's besides the point. Let's just get into like counting all the things. Wow, yes. Do you like my setup? You know what? I'm just gonna get into with the video.
Hold on. Can someone tell me what I just said?
What? I'm just gonna get into with the video.
I'm just gonna get into it. Do it video.
Just gonna get into with the video.
Am I okay?
I can't be bothered by it. Okay, anyways, let's start with some animation because you already know if you've been watching my video. So for animation, Rick and Morty is my jam. I love that show. Totoro. It's not a series, but it's like a movie. Another one from this category is Disenchantment. What else? What else do I like? Oh, South Park. Oh yes, I love South Park so much. It's kind of... And last but not least, and Ladybug and Cat Noir.
Okay, so I forgot to mention the video, but here I'm just explaining it. Anyway, I just wanted to come on here and say that I love the Meet Bee movie as well. So, yeah, okay, let's continue with the video.
That's all from animation, and if we were to talk about like actual Netflix series, like Vampire Diaries, the originals. Oh, I like Stranger Things. Girl Boss is one of them. And when it comes to like TV shows and stuff, I love How I Met Your Mother. That's a quick rundown of the shows that I like. Okay, so I'm about to tell you something crazy. I haven't binge watched like an actual like Netflix series in like 2 years. I don't know why, but last week I decided to watch Outer Banks and I finished it in a week. Which for some people it's like nothing. That tells you that how good Outer Banks is. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be reenacting the entire season by myself. This might take me a week. I'm filming. Oh my god. PSA, there's gonna be so much spoilers in this video, so if you haven't watched the movie, don't watch this.
This is Zombie. Well, the entire plot of the series is based around his life, so he's an important character in the story.
The Outer Banks, paradise on Earth. It's the sort of place where you either have 2 jobs or 2 houses. And that's me. There's Dad. He disappeared at sea 9 months ago looking for a shipwreck. Who disappears at sea these days?
Okay, so this is JJ, which is another side character in our story, and he originally has blonde hair, which you can tell that I don't in this clip, but that's besides the point. Basically, he is part of the Cooks. No, Pogues. Yeah, Pogues. Yeah, anyway.
That's JJ, my best friend since the 3rd grade. Best surfer I know. Just don't tell him I said that.
You
this character is another member of the Pogue gang, if you will, and he is the brainiac of the squad. Oh, by the way, his name's Pope. Here comes Kiara, aka Key, and she's again in the Pogues gang, if you will. But yeah, now that I think of it, she has no impact on the show whatsoever. She does absolutely nothing. She is even sometimes like not there in like really important occasions and stuff like that throughout the show. But again, she sometimes helps to John B and her gang and stuff. But again, she does not have anything important in the show. But again, so like sometimes she creates gossip, which is kind of exciting and makes things more interesting. So let's just not hate on her, okay? She's actually one of my favorite characters in the show because she's kind of unproblematic, which is really good, I guess. This is Sarah Cameron. She's literally the most problematic person ever, like in the show. And from beginning to the very end, she goes through so much. Her family falls apart. Like her life is just like, I don't even know how to explain this. She's kind of a brat in the beginning, but like at the end, like she just like, you'll understand it when you guys watch it, you know. This, like, I'm about to lose my brain cells literally editing this, so like enjoy.
There's a boat down there. Okay, you don't know how it feels like when a person that you love just vanishes. You deserve to know the truth. Okay, Sarah, listen to me. Don't freak out. But I'm pretty sure he got away with $400 million. Listen to me. I found gold. John B, I know you're there and I know you can hear me. And if you love my daughter, you'll turn back that boat like how I know you love my daughter. Please, John B, please turn back on that boat. You're going through a storm that you can't survive. Ward, don't listen to him. He's a liar. Listen to me, please, John B. You killed my father. You framed me for a murder that I didn't commit. You took everything from me. But I swear to God, Lord, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna take what's mine.
You killed my father! And you framed me for a murder I didn't commit! You took everything from me! And I swear to God, Ward, I will come back one day and take what's mine.
Anyways, thank you so much for staying till the end. To be honest with you, I have no idea why I did this. This was an experience, an adventure, a train track. Thank you for watching me embarrass myself. And that's it. Have a really positive and fun day, and peace out.